Nahak. I'm a professor in the chemistry department at College of DuPage.
Hello, everybody. My name is Umar Abbas. I am a civil engineering major, and I'm a part of the Chemistry Bonding Club.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jonathan Paradise. I'm a student at the College of DuPage, and I am a member of the Chem Bonding Club.
Hello, I'm Apurkura, and I'm a student at DuPage. I major in biology, and I'm a member of the Chem Bonding Club.
Hello, my name is Hortensio Gomez. I'm a student at COD, majoring in engineering, and a member of Bonding Club.
So, what is the science behind fireworks?
So basically, the science behind fireworks stems from a pretty basic definition, and we're going to be talking about pyrotechnics, which is defined as the art of building or displaying fireworks. So it takes four crucial items to build a firework, and that's going to be a color producer, which are basically just a metal compound that produces an intense color when it's burned. You're also going to want some kind of fuel and oxidizer, which is going to allow the firework to burn, and then it's also going to provide oxygen for the combustion of that fuel. And then lastly, you're going to need a binder, which is going to hold the entire mixture together, and that's going to allow the firework to shoot up in the air and then explode, which everybody loves to see on a warm summer night. So basically, the heat given off by that combustion reaction causes electrons in the metal atoms to be excited to higher energy levels. And so these excited states are very unstable. So the electron quickly returns to its original energy, or which is also referred to as ground state. And this causes the electron to emit excess energy as light, or what we see as a big firework in the sky.
So, why is it that there are different colors that I see in the fireworks?
So the reason why there are different colors for fireworks is because there are different type of metals that have different properties. Different metals have different number of electrons, where those electrons are located, and how heavy the element is. The electrons play the biggest factor since they are the ones that emit light. The electrons jump from an orbital shell that are higher in energy, causing a spark of light. There are different levels that the orbital shell can reside, and with that, where the electrons can be. And depending on how heavy the metal is, also helps determine how many electrons it can hold and how many orbital shells it may have. And for example, strontium is red, copper is blue, and sodium is yellow. And those are some examples of fireworks that have different colors amongst each other.
So, how are the colors in fireworks different than the color that we see every day, such as the one in rainbow?
So the colors in rainbows are on the continuous spectrum. So there's a lot more colors. And the ones in fireworks are on the line spectrum, which consist of only a few wavelengths. So we don't see as many colors.
So, how are the colors in fireworks related to the energy?
Higher energy tends to be blue color, whereas lower energy tends to be red color. And the reason for that is because this relates to the energy is inversely proportional to the wavelength of the light. So with blue having the higher energy, that also makes the blue light having the shortest wavelength. Red, on the other hand, has the lowest energy, but also has the longest wavelength. And this is another reason why blue is so rare to see for fireworks than any other color, because it takes so much energy to make blue light compared to making light of any other color on the spectrum.
You can learn about a lot of different chemistry-related experiments as well as investigations that we do as part of the Chem Bonding Club that I'm the advisor for. And this is something that we look at the applications such as acid-base indicators like red cabbage, acting as one of the indicators. Differences in gas pressures, how does that relate to the tire in our car? And several different topics, including the fireworks. Don't forget to enjoy the fireworks while you are thinking about the science behind the beautiful fireworks on the 4th of July.